Okay, well, we're pretty much about ready to put it back together. All the parts of the engine that I needed to paint have been painted. The firebox has been painted with high temperature engine paint and has had a good baking in the oven. The new base is ready to go. So the only thing I've got left to do is make the chimney, which I still haven't done. That's the next thing on the agenda, but I can certainly put it all back together onto the new base without the chimney. That can come later. Well, it's finally done, the restore on the Swan M2 model steam engine. I'm not too unhappy with the way it came out. There were a few issues. I made a major cock up on making the chimney, but we'll come to that in a minute. But yeah, overall, it's turned out okay. I did try and run this on air, and I happen to have an air adapter which fits into the threaded bush that's in the boiler for the safety valve. I connected the compressor up, my little compressor, started it up. The boiler pressurized up to about 20 psi, which is the maximum pressure my little compressor will do. But the engine didn't run. There was a tiny amount of air getting to the engine, but that was it. So I started the compressor, took this main steam pipe off here, started the compressor again, and we had plenty of air coming out of the fitting in the boiler, so it wasn't that. So then I connected the compressor directly up to this intake pipe here on the engine, and the engine ran absolutely fine, and with a bit of adjustment of the cylinder retaining screw I was actually able to get it to run down to about 7 or 8 psi, which is absolutely fine. So obviously, despite my best efforts, we still had a blockage in this steam pipe. So basically I unsoldered the valve from this end, I annealed the pipe, straightened it out completely, and tried to get a piece of steel locking wire through it, but it got to about halfway and stopped. So there was obviously yet another blockage in this pipe somewhere in the middle here. So basically what I did was I kept tapping, trying to push the locking wire through, and then I applied some heat in the middle, and eventually the locking wire went through, and sure enough some more solder came out this end of the pipe. And I just basically kept moving the locking wire as I let the pipe cool down, and that seemed to do the trick. I could blow through it, and there was no obstruction. So we then had to reshape the steam pipe and resolder the valve on. So yeah, so that was that. But no, I think it's turned out okay. So the chimney. Yes, well, I cocked up on the chimney. I basically attempted to fold up the chimney without annealing the brass sheet first, which was a major mistake. I thought it was thin enough for me to be able to bend it cold without any annealing, and it was a complete bastard. So it's not brilliant. I got there in the end. The pattern that I actually drew out for it, that was pretty good. Size-wise, that was okay. I'll put this is the original M1 chimney. So as you can see, it pretty much resembles it in form. Might be slightly larger overall, but there's not a lot in it. So yeah, so it looks okay, but I'm not over happy with that. But there you go, my mistake, my cock up. But other than that, yeah, it's okay. So next thing, we need to try and get it steamed. Well, we've got water in the boiler. I am using the small Bix burner, as you can see. The flame turned right down, because although the burner is very small, it's a fairly small boiler, so I would hope that would be more than adequate to provide enough heat. Although the firebox is quite tall on the Swan engines, so it does sit quite away from the burner. So we'll just leave it a little bit to build up some pressure. Right, so does it run? Well, yes it does. But as you can see, we have an enormous amount of steam that is coming out of the I believe it's coming out of between the cylinder and the port face. I'll close in on that so you can have a look at it. Which I'm not entirely surprised at. as I said, I believe the casting, which obviously makes up part of the port face, is actually white metal. It's very soft, so it's very hard to get a good seal between the two port faces. So we've got massive steam leak there, which again doesn't surprise me. Didn't happen under air, but then, you know, this kind of thing happens. This is the difference between steam and air. But it is running, albeit not particularly well. And it's very quiet. So I'm going to have to see whether I can do some work on the port faces, see whether I can clean up the casting a bit better. But it is running. Just about. So we change the angle a bit. I've actually had to turn the burner up quite a lot, and we're borderline right on the limit of its maximum pressure, I think, because the safety valve is kind of bubbling away. But yeah, it is running. But there's almost no steam coming out of the chimney, which tends to indicate to me that I know that exhaust steam port is not blocked. So I don't know what's going on there. I need to have another look at that, but there's something definitely not right. But it is running. And very, very quietly. Let's see if we can get anything out of the whistle. Yeah, nothing particularly spectacular there, and that was enough to kill the pressure. So, well, it certainly is spectacular, but it's not supposed to do that. Oh well, at least it runs. Yeah. A very steamy steam engine. But it's wasting way too much steam, so we definitely need to look at that. And I am actually getting a little bit of steam out of the chimney. I don't know whether you can see that. Let's move up. There is a little tiny whiff of steam coming out of the chimney, which is not surprising because most of it's coming out from between the cylinder and the port face. So. So there you go, that is a Swan M2, one of the extremely rare engines made by the Holborn Engineering Company, and we think it dates from around about 1920 to 1925. So I think that about wraps it up for this. I need to do some more work on it, but it is running. So as always, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for watching. Cheers!